Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to add Midjourney to your Discord server. So first open up your Discord app. It'll be on mobile, PC, or Mac, so just open it. And once your Discord is open, you should just go to the Midjourney server if you aren't in this server yet. I'll go through it with you. So just click on Add Server here, or the plus button, and click on Join a Server right here. After that, there would be an invite link here, and just put on Midjourney string right there, and click on Join Server. Oh, after that, you'll be redirected on the Midjourney server. Oh, and on the right side, on the member list, you can see right here. Click on Midjourney bot. Just click on it. You go to View V profile. You just click on it and click on Add App. You can see here that this will allow the developer of Midjourney bot to add the bot to a server, create command. So select the server you want to add the Midjourney. So here, my server. So click on Continue and the permissions. If you're all good, just authorize. So you ask for verification. Just click on that. And boom, we're good to go. Then it will go to your server. Right here. So my server right here. Oh, so as you can see, the Midjourney bot is right here already. Oh wait, and my bad. So the Midjourney bot is right here already, and to activate it, just click on / right here, and imagine. Oh, there's a prompt here, but that's it. You can now use the Midjourney bot, and if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.